Hello and welcome back to Career Mudra. My name is Dr. Pratiksha Gupta and this is the second part of the video where we'll be talking about the different types of dental colleges in Haryana along with their fee structure. So let's take a quick review that what are the different dental colleges and how we can approach them for the counseling. So there is all total one government dental college in Haryana, which is PGIDS Rohtak. We have 6 state private dental colleges in Haryana, and after that we have one deemed to university, which is Manav Rachna in Gurgaon. So these are the different types of dental colleges, which makes it all total 8 dental colleges in Haryana to target for the next NEET MBS counseling. Moving forward, talking about their fee structure. The fee structure for PGIDS Rohtak, which is a government institute, is 13,000 rupees per year. There are a few other miscellaneous charges, but the stipend which is offered is 1 lakh rupees per month to the students who get enrolled here. Moving forward, we have 6 state private dental colleges, out of which 4 comes under the PGIDS Rohtak University and 2 are separate entities. Talking about these 4 institutes which comes under PGIDS Rohtak, we have Sudha Rastogi Dental College in Faridabad, we have Swami Devi Dayal Dental College in Panchkula, then we have Jannayak Kapoor and we have JCD Sirsa. Talking about their fee structure, the fees is decided every year by the PGIDS Rohtak University, and the fees for the clinical branch is 6.8 lakh rupees per annum. Apart from that, if you are targeting for the non-clinical seats, the fees ranges from 3 lakh to 3.5 lakh rupees depending upon the branch that you pick. Apart from this fees, there is a hostel charge and some few other miscellaneous charge also that you can get to know from the college directly itself. Moving forward, if we talk about the 2 separate universities in the college, we have SGT University, which is affiliated to Maharishi University. SGT is situated in Gurgaon and the fees for the college is 11 lakh rupees per annum for the clinical branch like oral surgery, then we have prostho, and then we have endo. Talking about pedo, the fees is 6 lakh rupees per annum. Talking about perio, the fees is 5.5 lakh rupees per annum. For PhD, it is 3.5 lakh rupees per annum. For OMDR, it is 3 lakh rupees per annum. And for OP, it is 2 lakh rupees per annum. A quick disclaimer that these colleges do not offer any kind of stipend. Stipend you will be getting only in the government college. Talking about the next college in the list that we have is PDM Bahadurgarh, which is affiliated to PDM University. In PDM Bahadurgarh, the fees for the clinical branch is 7.35 lakh rupees per annum. Apart from this, there are few miscellaneous charges also. And then for pedo and perio, the fees is 5 to 5.5 lakh rupees per annum. For the non-clinical branches like PhD, OMDR and OP, the fees is 3 lakhs to 2.5 lakh rupees per annum depending upon the branch that you pick. So these are the fee structure of the different dental colleges in Haryana. For Manav Rachna, I'll be creating a separate video about the deemed colleges along with their fee structure and the stipend that they offer. And you can see the fee structure for Manav Rachna there itself. So that's all for today. This is all that I wanted to tell you about the fee structure of the Haryana. If you want to know about any counseling related information, that how to target these colleges and how to approach the counseling, you can directly contact me on the number being displayed here. If you want update of any counseling or any next college that you want to know about, you can drop down in the comment box also, and I'll be glad to make a video about it. So that's all. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Career Mudra. Thank you.